With the Photo Gallery Editor tool, you can create as many photo albums as you need to organize and display as many pictures as you need. All of your published photos will display in your gallery. Clicking on any of the photos will display a larger version, and then you can click forwards and backwards through all of the images. Of course, clicking on a particular album will display only those images assigned to the selected album. A photo can be assigned to multiple albums. Additionally, you can assign an album to display at the bottom of any page you create as well. In this example, the Container Plantings album is displayed at the bottom of this page. Managing your photo albums and pictures is a snap with the Photo Gallery Editor. You can add, edit, and delete albums with the Album Editor. For example, I can create an album for aquatic plants. I can then add a new photo, select the album I want it to display in, and once uploaded, can publish it so that it appears on my website. Active photo gallery items appear on the site, whereas the inactive photo gallery items do not. At GardenCenterMarketing.com, we love helping you sell more plants.